Hello students, I am here to discuss about the last portion of this chapter, that is chapter 4, Animal Kingdom Classification. So regarding this, only 3 things left as a class of vertebrata, so phylum, that is say here class Reptilia, class Apes and class Mammals is remaining. So in this chapter, these are the advanced group, it means classes, and in which they contain so many complicated characters in their body. So say Reptilia, this is the class Reptilia, this is the group of snake, lizard, lizard and this tortoise, turtle, etc. And they are found everywhere here and there. Commonly you can see it in easy way, and they are able to crawl within their skulls. So by the help of limbs they also move, and crawling takes place also in the snake. So see, generally terrestrial is found on the land and some are aquatic, but the aquatic group or aquatic individual or organism also come on land for what purpose? For the breeding purpose, for laying eggs or other things. So you know, tortoise or turtle living inside the water and come to the seashore area or the sea beach area where they lays their eggs inside the or on the sand, and then after they cover them. So they have 2 pair of pentadactyl limbs. So see, 2 limbs, 4 limbs and hind limbs are there and having 5 digits in them. Body cover with horny scales. So in snake's body, they are covered with the scales, and scales make them protected from crawling. Means during the crawling, they may hurt with the help of some stone pieces, some things which are hurting their body. So scales protect them from that particular hurting of the body, and they make their body, means they have a protection from the outside with the help of scales. The scales protect their body from outside, and molting takes place sometimes in their body, and they remove the old skin and again the new one. So see, teeth is present in all reptiles, but this tortoise and turtle having no teeth. So they have lack of teeth. So teeth is the normal feature of the reptiles because of they engulf or they eat the food, okay, and they are insectivorous or mainly the carnivorous. So they teeth present in their body for their chewing purpose. Respiration by the help of lungs only. So there is no other ways to respire. In amphibia we seen that respiration takes place by the help of gills, by the help of skin, and also by the help of lungs. But here you see only no other options are there, only lungs are for the respiration purpose. Now heart is 3 chambered. See, heart, their heart is a 3 chambered, like our heart is 4 chambered and advanced one. You can see 4 chamber heart in apes also, but here this is developed from the fish, that is fish having 2 chambered only, here 3 chambered heart you can see. So heart is 3 chambered, upper one and lower 2, that is see. Insectivorous they are and so this is the heart. Now you see oviparous in nature, it means they lays egg. As we know, the reptiles are able to lay egg and do reproduction with the help of the body part, means they have the internal respiration they have and do the activity of copulation, sexual reproduction, sexual act in outside the water. So they lays egg and this egg develop and the new babies, means their new individuals come out and develop. So their babies are not cared by their parents. So, here the parental care is not found in snake, lizard, tortoise, etc. So, they are having different nature than that of the mammals, birds, etc. They can care their babies. Now, say the next one, that is the apes. You know, apes is the group of birds. It means in this group there is the aerial adaptation takes place. Aerial, or you can say arboreal also. Arboreal means they can live on tree, and aerial means they can move in air with the help of their flight adaptations. So, they have flight adaptations. In this one, they have their body covered with the feather, and the feather may be of two types. One, the body feather, and flying feather. Means when they move with the help of flight feathers, they can have the movement, means they can uplift their body and move in air in easy way with the help of their forelimb, which is adapted as a wings. So, wings is covered with the feather, and they also having the waterproofing, and they are light in weight. It means pneumatic bone is there. Pneumatic means their bone is light, or there is no more weight of the bone like us. Our bone is not pneumatic, but the bone of the birds are pneumatic in nature. So, say flight adaptation makes them to fly. So, their body shape is streamlined. Streamlined body is from outside, means from the front and from the back, both are having pointed end, and we can say this is the boat shaped body they have. So, why boat shaped body preferred for the flying? That is to minimize drag or minimize the resistance of wind, air. So, when they fly in the air, they have minimum drag in them, and they are able to carry their body in easy way in opposite direction or in the same direction of the wind blowing. So, this is the flight adaptations they have. Due to flight adaptations, they categorize in the this group, and you see upper limb means forelimb having this adaptation, and the hind limb is as usual as their legs, the claws, and hind limbs as either 2 or means 2 and 2 or means 3 and 2. They have their claws and their digits. Forelimb covered with the hind, and the body feather, body is covered with feather also. Here you can say in the body they have the natural feather. By the help of that things they can cope with the cold, they can cope with the rain. Okay. So, when there is raining, they will not become wet if they cover themselves with the help of feathers. So, feathers are very much helpful to keep their body warm as well as to keep the water away from their body. So, this is the apes, and you see head, that is by the help of beak having, if you see the beak of duck, okay, this type of beak they have, and just here you can see the nostril. By the help of that one they can breathe, okay, they are able to breathe with the help of that nostril. So, the beaks can open, and beak having no teeth, they have no teeth. So, see they have strong chest muscles. Why? Because to fly. So, chest muscle become very strong, and this help them to fly in the air in easy way. So, the class apes includes the birds which are found in all continents, seas, and most islands. Some birds are also aquatic in nature. They take food from the water and also can swim in easy way in water. So, see this duck have adaptation, their claws are webbed. See webbed feet, webbed claws they have, and with the help of that one they are able to swim in easy way in water. So, see this is the webbed claw and help them to swim. So, this is the adaptations they have, and their body is of boat shape. They can also in easy way they can swim in on the surface of the water in easy way. So see, the birds are the most beautiful animal. They range in size from smaller hummingbird, very small in size, few centimeter, and to big ostrich. So ostrich having very big bird, and due to their heavy size, they are unable to fly also. So due to, that means they are called flightless bird, kiwi, ostrich, they are unable to, penguin, they are unable to fly. That is why they are flightless birds, due to their heavy load, heavy weight. See, the cock and hens are unable to move, that is of farm quality or hybrid quality, but the indigenous one become very easy to fly here and there. So this is the adaptations they can have. Now the limbs you understood, two pair of limbs, upper side means four limbs adapted with the wings, and two limbs means hind limbs are having claw, on which means by which they can hold the things and eat. Sometimes they also move on the land with the help of this claw. They also stay on a means electrical wire with the help of claw. They can have better grip on them. They can stay on the twig or on the tree. They with the help of claw help them to move as well as to hold anything, to hold the food also. So this is means when you see the parrot. Okay, parrot can hold chilies with the help of their claw and eat them very easily. So this is the activities they claw perform for them. So you know, reptiles and birds, if you compare, means evolutionary point of view, the birds and reptiles are related to each other. So say one fossil, that is Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx is a fossils which have both the character of snake and bird, you know. So in Archaeopteryx, some character of bird is present and some character of reptile or snake is present. Due to this similarity, we can see either the birds evolved from the reptiles, or the reptiles evolved from the bird, either of them. So see, in Archaeopteryx, bird's character, bird's feature, beak present, claw present, and wings present. Okay, this is the bird's feature. Generally, they have. Second, snake's feature or reptiles feature. Reptiles feature, they have teeth in their beak. Teeth is not found in the birds. So see, mouth is surrounded by beak, no teeth present here, but here teeth are present. Teeth is present in all reptiles but absent in turtle and tortoise. So teeth is the characteristic of reptiles here. Second one, you know, they have scales in their claw. Scales in their claw, in the claw. Scales, you know, in the reptiles, in the snakes, these are the scales. By the help of scales, they are identified that their body is different types. So see, the whole body covered with a scale, and these scales make them able to move. So these are the scales. Claw is covered with the scales. This claw having scales also. And next one, that is tail present. Tail, birds having also tail, but their tail is of different types. Means it is of sharp. This type of sharp tail present. This type of scaly tails are present. So Archaeopteryx having this tail. So this is the similarity which shows that either birds come from the reptiles or reptiles come from the birds. But see, there is the better future, means birds are able to fly, so they have better feature or advanced feature, then we can say the reptiles develop into birds and then they fly. Sometimes some birds having that nature, okay, to means having reptilian characters. So Archaeopteryx is the example of fossils which show these things, and it gives the evolutionary link to us that how the development it takes place from advanced to means from simple to advanced characters, how it develops. So here your respiration by the help of lungs they have, and we know that here is the nostril. By the help of nostril they can take the air and then do respiration. So respiration takes place by the help of lungs, and heart is 4 chamber. How many chambers of heart? There is 4 chamber of heart is present there. Now after that there is the mammals, the last one, that is mammals, class Mammalia. The human beings are the example. So see mammals, class Mammalia. General character, general characters. So what character they have? The first one, that is mammals are primarily terrestrial vertebrate. They occur in all the sorts of habitat, means they are present in every part of world. They are terrestrial, aquatic, few are aquatic also, and can live in all types of habitat. Types of habitat means they are able to adapt themselves to live in different places. Body is divided into head, trunk and the tail. Head, neck, trunk and tail. Body divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Unfortunately, tail is not present in our body, but maximum of the mammals having tail in their body. Next one, the skin is glandular and mostly covered with the horny epidermis, exoskeletal like hair. Skin is glandular. Skin is glandular, sebaceous gland and sweat gland. So sebaceous and sweat gland present in our body. This produce oil to make them soft. It produce sweat or the water with the urea. So sweat emitted by the sweat gland. So this is present for making the skin soft as well as the more delicate and protective also. Number 4, and covered with hair. It is also the main character of mammals, covered with hair. Okay, so its body is covered with hair. Now they are pairs of pentadactyl limbs, means 2 limbs, 4 limbs. They have a pair of pentadactyl limbs. They adapted for various purpose, means pentadactyl limbs are for various purpose. What purpose? If they are present in the animals, they can walk with the help of that one. If they are present in the human beings, we can use it for other purposes. So forelimb and hind limbs are used in different ways in the mammals life. Number 5 is reproduction occurs by only the sexual ways, and respiration by lungs. Heart is 4 chambered, respiration by lungs, and the heart is very developed, 4 chamber heart, like apes also. Heart is 4 chambered. Auricle to ventricle 2 auricle, 2 ventricle, upper and lower sides, and the sexes are usually distinguishable. It means sexes separate. Sexes separate. Fertilization internal. Fertilization internal. And you know they are having viviparous in nature. They are viviparous. Viviparous means giving birth to baby. Giving birth to baby. This is their character, and they are very advanced and very much intelligent, means their brain, nervous system very much developed. Nervous system is well developed. That's why they are able to do the all activities what they want, well developed. So memory and as well as their capability to think, to recreate is more. Example of this class is a human being, cow, dog, cat, whale, etc. They are found in this group. They are categorized in this group. Okay. So this is bat is also coming in this group, and you are able to understood that the advancement among the mammals is higher, means very much advanced group they are in spite of or in compare with the invertebrates as well as other vertebrates. Okay. So you understood what is inside the this, and you can remember all the terminologies and as well as the features, characteristics of all the group. Then after you are able to understood them very well, and again I repeat, the better things that you can remember one of the most popular group or example, then after you learn the whole one very easy way. Thank you. In next class we will discuss the next chapter. Okay.